Holy shit. Is that carbon fiber? No, it's just carbon fiber looking plastic. That's the cap, I think. That's the catch cup. Pretty sturdy. I've got the I don't know what's called. Hopper, I think. Bunch of tools. I think this is the knocker, if I'm not mistaken, from the videos. Okay, let's just take it out. Take out the cups. Take out the... I don't know what this is. Not sure. Man, it looks impressive in this Pelican case. Holy shit. I reckon this is probably good for a small cafe as well. So you put this here and then you lift it up, I suppose. Oh man, it's freaking heavy. Holy shit. Oh yeah, it's pretty heavy. Oh. It's one hunk of metal. I think they got everything installed already. I think this one goes here. Oh, you see that magnets? Becomes a guide, I think. So you just guide it. Okay, I'm not sure how that goes in. Oh, there you go. Oh, okay. Oh, fancy ass. That's the catch cup. Also magnetically goes in place, locks in place. And then I think this one goes here. There you go. What else is in the box? Just a power cable. That's pretty much it. So I've got a nice spot to put this thing. This thing goes right about here. Man, it's quite heavy. I'm not joking. There you go. Huh. Ta-da! Probably should have plugged in the power cord first. But yeah, let's do that. So I'll route this through here. And where is it? I think it's right in there. It's solid. It's solid. Honestly, the build quality is pretty good. If I'm not mistaken, it's also calibrated from the factory, so I don't really have to do anything much other than trying it. So let me just give it some power and turn it on. Wait, turn it on. There you go. Get a catch cup. There you go. Varia VS6. All right. Let's have a go at it.